particularly today a 491 visa. Now this visa is a very good visa option for those who would like to relocate to the regional areas. It is not me who is saying it. It is the government at the moment of Australia is pushing people from Melbourne, Sydney and Brisbane, because these are the most highly populated cities in Australia. So those who will try to go to regional areas, who will try to find employment over there, will be in a big benefit. The criteria which the government have given is according to the different states. So state will say that okay, you can come and buy a business if you are able to spend $100,000 in it, and then you have to run that business for 6 months. Your age should be less than 45 years old. You should have your skill assessment done, and also you should have your IELTS competence score, which is 6, and if you have 7 or 8, definitely you'll have more points. So this visa is beneficial for those, it's a bit expensive, but those who are able to spend that much money. Because if you see study also, if you keep on renewing your visa, you'll be end up paying more than this, I would say. So you'll be very lucky if you get that in this criteria if you come. And moreover, when you buy this and go to the regional area, there you have to give a job to someone who is a local resident or a citizen of that place. And you have to run this business for 6 months. One more thing to remember is that you cannot employ your spouse or your own family member. It has to be somebody who is not known to you. Also keep in mind that if you see, the government is saying that if you go and marry someone in the regional area, you will get more points, or your partner visa will be escalated and you will get very quickly residency in that areas also. So you can see that the shift is already going towards the regional areas. Although some agents or some information you are getting, they are saying that how will you find job or how will you survive in those areas. So let me tell you one thing. When Australian government is taking a measure, they have already planned and have got something in their mind. They want their areas to be developed. So if you fulfill their criteria, definitely there will be some job opportunities coming up soon. I'm telling you, you will. So those students who are at 485 visa should actually go to those places and do their 485 from there if they can, or live in that area and they can study nearby in the major cities and can travel. So this will have enhanced benefit for them. Those who cannot go, those who cannot leave this Victoria, it is easily understandable because we are waiting for a miracle to happen, that if they open up something like a visa in Victoria wide where you can buy a business for 100,000 and the same criteria may apply, then this will be the best for you. But when will it happen? No one knows, because it has not been officially declared by the government yet. So in the meantime, while you are all waiting, my suggestion would be to do certain courses that will enhance your skill. Study IELTS, PTE and get maximum scores if you can. Do your 485 properly. Do not leave that training and drive taxis or do other jobs. Concentrate on your own professional year, finish that up, and then definitely by the time I think COVID may have some kind of a vaccine coming out soon, that will change the whole scenario, and the list may also change because June, July is not too far. And every year, Australia in June, July, this list will change. So my humble request to all of you is that please be calm, be patient, do not worry. Those who are overseas also, soon borders will open and you all will be here in Australia studying and the life will become normal. If you like my video, please do share it with your friends or family members, and also subscribe me. I am a registered migration agent in Melbourne and my contact number is 0490173610. You can contact me via email, which I am be displaying underneath this video here. You may be able to see it. Also, if you have any questions or queries, you can comment me on my video and I will try to get back to you and help you with your visa queries. Please take care and be safe. Thank you for watching my video.